Get better visibility into employee onboarding to continuously improve the new hire experience and accelerate time to impact. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Talent provides analytics and interactive reporting to deliver valuable HR program insights. Unify data from disparate HR systems and make smarter decisions faster. Right out of the box, Dynamics 365 for Talent delivers insights using rich visualizations and reports that put your most important information at your fingertips. See key performance metrics in real time, like the number of onboarding guides sent, guide completion rate, and trending details. Drill down to gain more context and generate reports quickly. Take your analytics to the next level by adding on Power BI and go from data to insight to action. Power BI connects to your data wherever it is, combining multiple systems to present one version of the truth. HR pros can access data from hundreds of on-premise and cloud-based sources, enabling them to dig deeper into data and find patterns they may have otherwise missed. Power BI goes beyond traditional reporting, using AI-driven natural language processing to answer your questions in real time. Simply enter your keywords, and results begin appearing immediately. Click the result you want, and add the report to your dashboard for quicker access. Use Power BI in Dynamics 365 for Talent to optimize your onboarding experience, empowering your newest employees to thrive from day one.